Why is Tesla building another Gigafactory? One of Tesla's missions is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy through increasingly affordable electric vehicles and energy products. To achieve this, Tesla will need a bunch of huge facilities where they can build their cars. Through the years, Elon Musk has pursued numerous seemingly impossible projects, most recently making headlines for building several giant factories, which he calls Gigafactories. These are essentially a home base to carry several vital operations, such as building batteries and electric vehicles. Tesla has built several of these so-called Gigafactories. But recently, the world's leading automaker has moved to Texas to create a new Gigafactory to ramp up the electric vehicle and battery production. So why is Tesla building a new factory in Texas when they already have several Gigafactories? In mid-2020, Tesla announced a deal to build a brand new factory in Austin, Texas, where the company bought a 4 million square foot piece of land, roughly 15 minutes from downtown Austin. The construction of the factory started in July 2020 and is said to have cost over $1 billion. According to Elon Musk, the Austin Gigafactory might begin production at the end of 2021, and maybe even sooner. Unlike the Gigafactory in Shanghai, Giga Texas is situated in a more challenging landscape. Nevertheless, Tesla has leveled the ground, drained the swamps in the area, cleared the bushes, and now, the company is already building giant structures that are a part of the factory. Musk is accustomed to getting what he wants, so it appears to be a good bet that the Austin area factory will be in production sometime in 2021. The name Gigafactory, used for Tesla's factories, comes from the word giga, the unit of measure representing billions. The Texas Gigafactory was born out of necessity, as Tesla plans to establish a bigger battery cell production. This way, the company can support the projected vehicle demand. It has even filed for a state permit to start producing batteries, instead of just buying them. Although Tesla hasn't publicly confirmed the battery operation, an air quality permit application filed with the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality makes things pretty clear. The application shows that Tesla is proposing to operate a cell manufacturing unit to produce battery packs that will be used to power their vehicles. Tesla also has plans to make several new and updated models of their electric vehicles in the Texas Gigafactory. Producing batteries and electric vehicles in Giga Texas would make the facility among the first Tesla locations to have full-scale battery and vehicle production. Elon Musk wants to make Giga Texas an ecological paradise, open to the public. The facility will feature a boardwalk and even a hiking and biking trail. Giga Texas will be built in phases so that Tesla can begin manufacturing immediately inside the finished sections and continue to expand after that. Tesla's Gigafactory Texas will also help the Texas economy by creating thousands of jobs for the people living in Texas. When Tesla executives sought incentives to locate the factory in Travis County, they pledged to employ a minimum of 5,000 people to work in the factory. Tesla's Senior Director of Business Development and Public Policy has recently revealed that the company plans to forge partnerships with area high schools, colleges, training agencies, and trade groups as it builds its roster of employees in the region. Dozens of jobs have recently been listed on the company's website for positions in the factory. This factory will serve as a launching site for Tesla's electric pickup, the Cybertruck. Other automakers, such as Ford, General Motors, and Fiat Chrysler, have recently been dominating the U.S. market with their electric pickups. The Texas factory will also give Tesla the chance to break into the market. Tesla also revealed that the factory would serve demand in the eastern and central portions of the country for its Model 3 compact sedan and its recently introduced Model Y compact sport vehicle. Tesla will also produce its commercial semi-truck for long-haul shipping in the Texas factory. Tesla has recently received parts for the Gigapress, a giant casting machine that will be featured in the Gigafactory. Tesla contracted a company called IDRA out of Italy for the construction of the 6,000 tons force die casting machine. IDRA unloaded giant boxes for the machine earlier this year. The Model Y, using the Gigapress, will be constructed from a single piece cast from the front and rear of the vehicle's chassis. Elon Musk has also announced that the company has also placed an order for the first 8,000 tons force casting machine. Tesla will use this machine to build larger vehicles, such as pickup trucks, SUVs, and semi-trucks, as these vehicles will require a giant casting machine to be produced. The Texas factory location has been rumored to have one of the best ground structures for tunneling. This means that another of Musk's companies, the Boring Company, may also find its way to Giga Texas. A video showing the development of the Giga Texas has revealed some of the Boring Company's equipment on the construction site. This makes sense, as Elon Musk recently announced that Tesla will be using the tunnels to deliver vehicle parts across the factory. Even though the Texas facility is named Gigafactory 5, Giga Texas is actually the 6th Gigafactory. The automaker has 5 other Gigafactory locations around the world for electric vehicles and battery production. There are 3 factory locations in the United States, one in Germany and the other in China. The first factory is located in Fremont, California. It is found outside of San Francisco. The facility offers 5.3 million square feet of space on 370 acres of land and houses over 10,000 employees. The facility was previously home to General Motors until Tesla purchased the facility in 2009. The factory had to be extensively remodeled before the first Model S rolled off the line in 2012. At the state-of-the-art location, Tesla still builds 4 of their electric vehicles, along with most of each vehicle's components. Giga Nevada, also known as Gigafactory 1, is located outside of Reno in Sparks, Nevada. It is Tesla's first growing production facility. Giga Nevada produces Tesla's solar energy storage products, such as the Powerwall, the Power Pack, and the Mega Pack. The factory also produces lithium-ion battery packs and electric motors for the Tesla Model 3. Gigafactory 2, or Giga New York, is Tesla's 3rd location within the U.S. Unlike other factories, Giga New York is more focused on solar energy than electric vehicles. The construction of this 1.2 million square foot facility began in 2014 and was completed in 2016. The factory became home to the Solar City production after they merged with Tesla. Tesla began the production of their solar cells and modules in 2017, and in 2019, Tesla added new production lines that would support components for their superchargers and energy storage products. Tesla hired over 1,500 employees in the Gigafactory before the COVID-19 pandemic, and it hopes to hire more this year. The first factory outside of the U.S. is located in China. Giga Shanghai is a 9.3 million square feet factory that Tesla launched not long ago. This factory is currently operational, and it is the 2nd factory to assemble actual Tesla vehicles after the Fremont factory. Giga Shanghai currently runs the final assembly of Tesla's Model 3 and the building of the Y model. Giga Shanghai construction started in 2018, and it began production of the Model 3 in 2019. Due to the wild selling of the Model 3, the size of this Gigafactory has more than doubled to support the high demand. Tesla seems to be expanding its space even further in its China location. The automaker is looking to hire Chinese designers and implement a full design studio to create Tesla vehicles specifically for use in China. That could include the $25,000 car that Tesla is working towards. If they succeed in developing new battery technology, Tesla could drastically reduce the price of electric vehicles. Tesla is currently building its 6th Gigafactory in Berlin, Germany. After being announced in 2019, construction began last summer in the Grünheide, outside of central Berlin. Tesla has revealed that the Gigafactory in Berlin will be the most advanced high-volume electric vehicle factory in the world. The factory will feature a new casting system, as well as a next-generation paint shop, and even some sustainability features. Although Giga Berlin will focus on the Model Y production for now, a massive construction is being put in place to take on future Tesla vehicle production. Tesla plans to reach a goal of producing 500,000 electric vehicles annually from this Tesla factory location. The factory has seen tremendous progress so far, and it is said to begin operation this coming July. What do you think of all these Gigafactories being built so fast? Do you think Elon Musk is a bit over the top? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.